So, we've started a new month, May, and we started the new month of May exactly the way we started April, in the red, unfortunately. So, I was moving apartments, moving homes over the weekend, and I came in yesterday on the Monday, first day, and unfortunately we traded two stocks and both of them went against us. We didn't get the follow through on any of the breakouts. Over the long term of the day, both stocks moved big on the day. Unfortunately, we timed our entries wrong, or I know we didn't manage our risk. On one particular stock, we traded the news rather than the actual price action. And there's there's a saying in trading, and that's you buy the rumor and sell the news. And unfortunately, we tried to buy the news and it didn't go for us. So we finished the day yesterday, $29,000 in the red. And I suppose this is testament to the fact that, yes, I'm a profitable trader. I'm one of the few profitable traders. 95% of people who trade a financial instrument on the markets lose money, and I'm one of those people that consistently gains money. So we're still good on the year. We're over $300,000 in profit after 4 months. But yesterday was not a good day. I didn't manage my risk properly. I didn't trade the price action properly. I completely threw my strategies out of the window, and that's not how you need to trade. It was more of a lesson in how not to trade than anything else. So we did that. We finished 29,000. There she is. We finished 29,000 in the red on the day. That's not a great start to the month. We figured we'll come into today and we'll size down and we'll be a little bit more patient. Now, today was an extremely choppy market. There was a few runners, but very choppy. And every time we went for a breakout, it either faked us out or backed down, and we didn't really get that. So we finished today, our first session, we finished 7,500 in the red, which is not ideal again. And we want to be making profits, not giving it back to the market. We came back a couple of hours later and we traded two more stocks, two more tickers, and we got green on both. And one was SOUN. It was a runner from yesterday, and it really ran yesterday, and we jumped on the continuation momentum today. We got green on that. And there was another one that we'd already been a little bit red on to start the day, and then we jumped in there and got green on it. So that was good news. Still finished red on the day. I'm going to go away, watch the football match this evening, have a glass of wine, kind of recap, have a look at the trades, where I went wrong, where I went right, see what I need to do better tomorrow. I think certainly there's a case for managing my risk better. I've got quite lax recently. I've had a couple of really good long green streaks, and it's made me be a bit more, I suppose, overconfident, and the markets will humble you, as they did yesterday, as they did on the 1st of April as well. They will humble you if you get overconfident. So, trading is risky. Don't risk more money than you can afford to lose, and practice in a simulator before you do put money in the markets. And with that, I'll be back at it tomorrow. I'll be live 12:30 Dublin time or London time, and 8:30 market time. So I'll see you guys then.